Oh, here we go. Welcome to Bradley PTV. I ain't had time to do the professional intro, so I'm just gonna roll with this for now. Get better over time. Try to keep it quick. I'm here to do everything. I like to learn everything. I feel like if somebody else can do it, I can do it. Ain't nothing I can't do. We're in the information age. Most of this would be carpentry work, remodeling my house, and it's another rehab, and a bunch of other adventures I want to get into. Teaching myself stocks, it's all type of stuff, different businesses, food, health. Most of the stuff we learned was a lie or a scam or just big business trying to line their pocket. I can do anything. So yeah, so here we go. Get into some of this. Oh, here we go. Before I get into this video, it's old video, 2015, I believe, old condo in the High Park neighborhood. Another client that didn't have it together at all, changed his mind every day. Had a few plans, but trying to run everything himself and be the design and the architect never works out. Nonetheless, here we go. Metals, studs, commercial building, a hidden door I got going in, and what else? Some LED lights, and the crown molding. Oh, I almost forgot. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell. Be updates every week, new videos every week, a few times a week. Shooting for every other day, if not daily, if I get down to this editing. That's the plan. Stan?
So the price is right. Some framing. We got French doors for the master. Walk-in closet going. Bathroom. Adding a bathroom. Some of the finishes. All my specs.
Here we have the metal studs, 2 different sizes, 1.5 and 3.5. I think I used 2 3/4, 2 5/8 actually. That's one of the bedrooms, half the wall gone. That's one of the bathrooms, and to the left he wants to add another bathroom. Everything leveled, of course. Nice view. It's an overview. That's 2 bedrooms in the living area. He's gonna make it 3 bedrooms in the closet. That's some of the framing for the walk-in closet and the bathroom to the left.
That's camera screen. I ain't see nothing in this motherfucker. Shit. A little work.
Finally, he got it drywalled. I didn't do the drywall on this. And now we're to the hidden doors. These are the hinges. Trace the outline or the template. I think they had a template and mortar some out. Start with a pilot hole. I use a spade bit. That's my test run. It's a little off, but as a good carpenter, you can always clean it up. Do a few. So that one went all the way through. Did one by. Had a stud behind it. Those are the hinges. Nice hinges, real nice hinges. When they close, they're hidden. Be flush with the door jamb and the door. That's it, close. Came with caps and all. I mean, it's some real nice. He ordered them. Called me, y'all. Can you put these in and make some hidden doors? Oh, sure. You know, I tell him I can do anything. So here's my door I made from scratch. I used metal studs.
I try to keep it lightweight. It's my first time doing it. A lot of times it's my first time doing it, but in my head I could do anything. So that's it. I drywalled it to match the walls. It's supposed to be hidden. A few cross members so it won't sag. And there we go. Some one bash drywall and flush. Flush mount door. It's closer to the finished product. 2 of these joints. So here I'm putting on some joint compound, mud, plaster, whatever you want to call it, to make the drywall smooth, along with the doors on top of the 1x. Now, usually your 1x will crack and you screw it, sideways to the drywall, but I use some real heavy duty glue, kind of like cement, like real nice glue to hold everything in place to prevent any separation to lead to any cracks. So then I mud it real smooth, sand it. That little seam is the opening for the door. Couple coats of mud. Sand it smooth. I use pre-mixed. I didn't want to use the powder. I'm gonna take my time. Dip it in some water. Get it real smooth on this pass. So I usually say. And there we go. That's the other door. It's 2 of them. Flush mount door. It's closer to the finished product. 2 of these joints. Throwback Tuesday. This dude finally got his drywall up after about 2 months because he changed his mind 40 times. Got the crown molding, baseboards, doors, some closet is framed out. When I say change his mind 40 times, you want to add all shit like this? It's a lot. It might not even work right, it's so much. Another masterpiece. My doors. Can do some little fine tuning. Crown molding, some light behind it. Baseboards on the back. I see something. Jumps. So the idea is door or no door. Tub finally came, framed that in. This big mirror that's really too big. You go around all these goddamn pipes. All this. This is crazy. It's artwork. Get down with the metal. I ain't do the plumbing. Eight.
Eight.
Yeah.
So how much is the box?
$40.
$40 for 8 feet. We need like 300 feet. 300 feet of these. And then I gotta get the strips for the cabinets, right?
Go underneath.
No, I'm not underneath it, but inside on the shelves. Those are strips, right?